Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Hope you guys had yourself an amazing week. Hope you had a chance to get out in your shop, build something really awesome. Let me take a minute and share something that, to Peter Griffin, it grinds my gears. The top 10 tool lists. The tools you must have to be a woodworker. To be a woodworker, you need these tools. There's a whole schmear of this spin on this. Okay. Realistic thought, ignore every one of those articles. You come across them, skim right by them. If you see the article, throw it in the garbage. The honest answer to this, figure out what it is you want to build. And what tools do you need to build that? Because that's the tools that you need to start woodworking. You don't need any more than that, right? Let's say you're building a birdhouse, okay? 1x6, 1x8 material. You don't need a table saw for that, right? You certainly don't. You don't need a power tool for that. Get a handsaw. The first handsaw I ever bought, still own it, a Craftsman. And I use this thing all the time, guys. Invaluable skill to know how to use a handsaw. And that's practical woodworking 101, right? That's a skill set that you should have. That's certainly a tool that you should have, right? Cheap, inexpensive, you know. The saw is probably, I don't know, I'm not going to date myself, but it's been around a while. We'll just leave it at that, right? I didn't pay much for it. But I love the saw. I use it all the time. I keep it sharp. It works great. You want to step up from that? Look at a circular saw or something. Okay, but starting out, you don't need to spend a ton of money. You don't need all these fancy tools. You don't need all this fancy stuff, right? You just need the tools for whatever it is you are doing. Okay. From that, move to your next project. Your next project, maybe there's a tool that you need for that. You buy that tool. Do this for 5 years, 6 years, you're going to amass the tool collection that suits you, not the collection that somebody thinks you need. Because no two woodworkers do things the same way. I don't care who they are. You ask 10 guys how to cut a dovetail. They're going to tell you 10 different things about it. 10 different ways, 10 different techniques. Just focus on your first project. Get yourself started there. All right, guys? That's all I got. Had to share it. It grinds my gears, guys. All right? You guys have yourself an amazing week. Get out in your shop. Build something awesome. I will see you here next week. And I've got a follow-up to this beginning woodworking thing to kind of help out you beginners, right? Just kind of a simple little project that'll help you along your little journey. All right, guys? Till then, see you later. Bye.